Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to use modern collage layout PSD templates. Templates are automated with Photoshop actions to quickly place images of your choice. Here are a few examples of templates populated with images. The very first step is to open template and to load Photoshop actions. Go to File, Open, navigate to folder which you have received. Hold down Ctrl or Command and select PSD and ATN file. Click Open button and that will open template and load actions which you can access from Window Actions. I will recommend to you to always duplicate template from Image Duplicate and to work with duplicated version. You can quickly preview all layouts using Layer Comps panel, which you can display from Window menu. Use Next and Previous Layer Comp in the Layer Comps panel to quickly navigate through layouts or different templates. When you find template which you want to use, the next task is to optionally change dimensions and resolution. Templates are flexible, vector-based, and you can change dimensions before placing images without any penalty. The only requirement is to maintain aspect ratio while changing dimensions and resolution. Before running action, let me mention that you will place images in layout starting with lightest through darkest field. From the Actions panel, run action with the same name as chosen layout. Photoshop will start opening Place dialogs. Navigate to image which you want to place and double click on it. After placing each of the images, you can scale, rotate and reposition image. If you do not see corner handles to scale image, then press Ctrl or Command 0. If you want to replace already placed image, then select Smart Object Layer with the image in the Layers panel and run Replace any image action. The last step is to save or export created collage in any format which Photoshop offers. You are not limited to one collage per session. Create as many collages as you want. Select some other template, then run corresponding action. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you need any further help or instruction, please do not hesitate to contact me.